Hello everyone, this is Andrew. Today I'm here to show you two great devices from Rainpoint that will help you manage the water in your garden. After today's video, you will be able to fully understand how to use both of these products. First step, the battery compartment. It is a little tight as it is waterproof. 2 AA batteries. Insert it back in. Now that I've inserted the batteries, I'm going to show you how to set up your watering plan. First, we will set the clock. Turn the dial to set clock. Here, you can choose the day. Today is Friday. Click the plus button. Click OK. As you can see, it's on the 24-hour time setting. Hold the OK button to go to the 12-hour time setting. It is currently 10:20 in the morning. After you set the clock, turn the dial to start time. As you can see on the left side, there's a P1. This stands for Plan 1. There are 3 plans available. We'll set the first one to 8 a.m. Click the plus sign to go to the hours. 8 o'clock. Click OK. OK. P2, as you can see, is off. Here, it's at 12 a.m. You cycle all the way through. You don't want to have Plan 2 off. Click OK. Plan 3. We'll set this for 3 p.m. We'll set it for 3:05 p.m. Click OK. You're back to Plan 1. Turn the dial to confirm. Now we're on the how long part of the dial. As you can see on the left side, we're on Plan 1. The hours are blinking. Let's say we want to do 2 hours. Click the plus button to get to 2 hours. Click OK. OK again. Now you're on Plan 2, which we set to off. Now we're on Plan 3, which we set to 3:05 p.m. Here we will click the plus button, and the hours are now blinking. Click it again. Now this goes from 1 minute to 3 hours and 59 minutes. So if you go over 3 hours and 59 minutes, it automatically turns it off. Click the plus button again. We'll set this one for 1 hour. Click OK. Click OK again, and you're back to Plan 1. Now we'll turn the dial to how often. Here is where you determine how often you'll be watering your garden. Click OK to confirm Sunday. Press the plus button to skip a day. We already have Wednesday highlighted, and we will do Friday. Now, you have the option to do every. So when you get to every, click OK. Now you can water every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, or 6 days. We'll set it to 3 days. Don't click OK, just turn the dial to view set. Now we're on the view set of the dial. Here is where you can see the overview of the plans you just set. Plan 1, start time 8 a.m. for 2 hours. Plan 2, we set to off. Plan 3, starting at 3:05 p.m. for 1 hour. And you can see that this will be occurring every 3 days. Now, switch it to on. When you switch it to on, your plan is ready to go. You can see that the next watering will be in 4 hours and 24 minutes. And here's your current time, 10:41 on Friday. Now let's say you want to water your plants because it's really hot outside and you don't want to wait for the next cycle. So hold OK down. You can hear that pop noise. So just open it up and it is watering your plants now for 10 minutes. It is set to 10 minutes, that cannot be changed. If you want to turn this off, you can either hold OK again or just go back to off and back to on, and your regular plan will be started.
As you saw in the video, the 101P is a very comprehensive controller that is able to handle most of your daily watering. I hope after this video you were able to make a decision based on what you will need in your garden. See you next time.